Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality in every luxury option you could possibly imagine? Take a look at this certified, pre-owned 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in bright white. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, adaptive cruise control with stop, sport hood, 20-inch granite crystal aluminum wheels, granite crystal exterior badging, black lens tail lamps, keyless enter and go, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted shift levers, 8.4-inch display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, SELEC-TERRAIN system, blind spot and cross-path detection, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 5.7-liter HEMI V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3092A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.